Shey you know say as Momo agent wey you be, e get 5 correct ways wey you fit take load money put inside your Momo agent account.
More about them. 1. From any of your bank accounts.
You fit send money or receive money on top am. Make you choose or press access yellow or better, or access yellow as the bank wey you want. Type your Momo agent phone number, comot the first 0 wey dey for your Momo phone number. For example, 803-200-0502. Put how much wey you wan send. Sharp sharp, float go land inside your Momo agent account. 2. For field sales representative or marketers, call any Momo field marketer or rep. Give am your Momo agent phone number, how much you wan send on top float. Give the agent the money wey you wan use float. Before you say sule, your float don. 3. If na through strategic financial partner (SFP) or coordinating center you want, go for SFP or coordinating center wey dey near you. Tell them say you wan float. Give them your Momo agent phone number, then how much wey you wan float put. Collect float for your Momo agent account, then give them the money wey match wetin dey for float for you. 4. Direct deposit wey go straight inside your Momo agent account for any branch. Waka go any bank wey dey near you. Collect deposit slip or teller. Write your Momo agent phone number put like this: 803-200-0502, as if na your 10-digit account number you dey write. Give the money to the teller, then tell them say you want interbank transfer. Just like that, that float go credit your Momo agent account. Another thing be say, you fit enter any access bank wey you want, whether you get account with them or you no get account with them. Just ask for float. 5. Float from another Momo agent. Go meet any Momo agent wey you know. Ask am for float. The agent go press *502*6*2# for you. Then put your Momo agent phone number, how much you wan send. The agent go help you check am, then confirm am with him PIN. Give am the money wey match wetin float send go your Momo agent account. So as you don't know am now, shey you see say e simple like ABC. Oya go float your Momo agent account now with any of the 5 orishirishi ways wey you want.